Good morning, ladies. Hope you had a great Tuesday. You rested, you had fun, you enjoyed it, and now you're fresh and ready for our next tutorial. This week we'll be working with a new reading that is called Encantado, the pink dolphin that lives in the Amazon River. Before that, we'll review vocabulary, as it says over here. And before even that, we'll go with our next tongue twister. Thanks Regis Reyes and Arlet for your videos. I really enjoyed them and it was so great to see you girls. So I can't wait to see more videos. Hope you'll send me much more, and here it goes. Don't forget to stop the video after I read it for you and practice the 3 times repeating this tongue twister. Gwen grew green grapes and glorious guava in her grand garden. Now it's your turn, girls. Okay, so now that you've practiced the tongue twister, we're going to vocabulary words. Aquarium, dolphins, enchanted, flexible, glimpses, pulses, surface. I'm pretty sure some of them, if maybe not all of them, you already know. The words today are pretty simple. Let me know in algebraic messages which words you knew from the very beginning. I kinda can guess which ones they are. Okay, the first definition. Let's see if you can guess the word. It's something that is easily bent, not stiff, that it's bending without breaking. I can think of more than 22 girls from this classroom that are super flexible, and I gave you the answer. So that's the answer, flexible. Especially the girls that go to cheerleading classes or ballet classes, they need to be extremely flexible. The next word. Any of numerous sea mammals related to the whales but smaller. And here's the answer, that these are dolphins. And let's see the pictures. Here they are. These are the picture dolphins. The next word. Something that is delighted greatly or charmed. Okay, so you have more or less the same Spanish word, and it's, you know the answer? Enchanted, correct. So, charmed. The top of the ground or soil or a body of water or the liquid. For example, I'm pretty sure you have your laptop, your computer on the top of it. And the answer is surface. On the surface of your table, on the top of your table. It's a building that is used for showing collections of live fish, water animals, and water plants. It's a really fun place to go. And I'm pretty sure you guessed already, and it's an aquarium. Correct, girls. It can be as small as a tank fish or as big as a whole building. Okay, so it's a regular measured bits. Let's listen to it. Meanwhile, you're thinking of a word. Okay, I hope you answered already, and the answer is pulses. Okay, girls, they can be pulses as bit of a heart or in music. Short, quick views or looks, when you look at something quickly. This word we pronounce glimpses. We don't pronounce the P. It's not glimpses. It's even hard to pronounce. If you try, it's just glimpses. Okay, guys. Now, I'm not there, I cannot see you, but I'd really love you to tell me the answer. Here are two definitions. One of these definitions is matched with the underlined word. Okay, so we had an enchanted evening that we will never forget. I'll give you 3 seconds to think, is it imaginary or magical? I really hope you answered magical, because that's the right word. The next is Tom has pictures of his family swim with the dolphins. Is it a marine mammals or freshwater fish? Let's think. I hope you're answering with me, and it's the marine mammals. The next sentence. The machine monitors heart pulses. Which one? I really hope you answered. Rhythmical beats. Oops, something happened here. Rhythmical beats. The next sentence. The gymnast showed how flexible she is with that move. Let's think. And of course the answer is stretchable. One more, ladies. The special fish food floated on the surface. Is it a top or a highest peak? Of course, the answer is the top. There were several species of fish in the aquarium. Bird cage or fish tank? And it's fish tank for aquarium. We saw a few glimpses of activity behind the stage. Something that you cannot see very good. Is it photographs or brief views? I really hope you answered brief views. Okay, guys, here we go with the applauses. And you've got it. Our next activity to review is on page 82, exercises 1 to 10. And this one, girls, you'll need to use the words from the box and match them with the definitions. Here there are 5 words, and in this part you'll need to use the same words. Of course you can repeat them, but you'll need to use them in sentences. And when you're done with the activity, you need to take a picture of it and send Biology-Breaks to me as a message. Okay, guys, I miss you a lot. I really hope you'll send me videos of you reading the tongue twisters, and I'll wait for your pictures of this exercise, and enjoy your Wednesday. That feels like Monday, right? Love you guys, tons. Enjoy the Wednesday. Bye-bye.